Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the controller and making a reliable connection. This is critical because updates can fail if power or link drops. Once done, plug a USB cable into the controller or pair it with Bluetooth on your Xbox or PC so the device is recognized. Make sure you are signed into your Xbox account and that the console or computer is online. These steps let the system detect available firmware and prepare to start the update immediately. You now launch the update routine. On Xbox, go to Profile and System, then Settings, Devices and Connections and Accessories to select your controller. Once the controller page appears, choose Update and follow prompts. On a PC, use the Xbox Accessories app, select the controller tile, and tap Update. During the transfer, keep the cable or Bluetooth connection steady. Interruptions can corrupt firmware. You'll see a progress indicator. Do not power off or remove the cable. You finish by confirming the controller restarted and checking the firmware version in the Accessories app or console device page. This tells you the update succeeded. Next, test inputs, buttons, sticks, triggers, and verify wireless responsiveness so you're ready to play. If anything goes wrong, here's the key troubleshooting tip. Reconnect with a known good USB cable and different port, restart your Xbox or PC, then rerun the update. Wired transfers are more reliable and typically resolve failed or stalled updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.